Hi guys, before we jump in, I just want to mention that this particular product, the price does change on it often. So be sure and check out the link down below in the description and see what kind of price you can get for it. All right, let's jump in. Hey guys, Tyler here, and in today's video, we're taking a look at this Active brand stain remover. Now, in this video, we're going to talk a little bit about this stain remover and help you know what you can expect when you get it. And I want to give a big shout out to Active actually because they sent me this product in exchange for this video, so I'm very grateful for that and excited to talk to you today about this. Now, first off, I wanted to mention this is the stain remover right here. You'll see it is a 4-ounce bottle here, so you actually get quite a bit of the stain remover here in the bottle. And up at the top, you can see it's just kind of a spray bottle here, a single finger pump spray there, which is really nice and easy to use. Now, there are some instructions on how to use this. Typically, if you have some kind of stain or something like that, you're going to want to use a cloth to go ahead and remove most of the debris. And then what's remaining, that little stain part that's remaining, you go ahead and use this product. And it takes about 3 to 5 minutes to work. But just make sure you read the instructions because there are kind of specific instructions on the best way to use this and kind of how to remove the stain. But I really like this stain remover a lot. You can see it actually says it can treat food, drink, grass, mud, ink, and more. There's a lot of different purposes for this stain remover. And one thing that's great is it can treat a variety of surfaces too. A lot of people like to use this kind of on their clothes. Maybe they spilled some food on their clothes, but you can actually even treat, it says down there at the bottom, carpet or upholstery and more as well. So definitely some variety of different uses you could use with this stain remover. Again, I always recommend kind of spot testing just in case. Just use a very, very small kind of discrete spot just to make sure everything works okay with the stain remover first. But overall, I've been really impressed with it and I would highly recommend it. Now, make sure and check out the link down below in the description to get your hands on this product. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.